Hello guys, few years ago Tesla entire cars manufacturing hub was accessed and controlled by a hacker by exploiting vulnerability in Tesla's servers. And also someone altered a speed limit sign to fool Tesla's sign reading system to display the wrong digit by confusing 3 and 8. For example, instead of 35, Tesla take it as 85.
As we can see, Shivangi is holding up our adversarial 35 mph speed limit sign, with a small piece of black tape as the only modification. We start the car moving forwards, and the Mobileye camera immediately incorrectly identifies an 85 mph speed limit sign. Now we engage traffic-aware cruise control, and with our feet entirely off the gas and brake pedals, the Tesla begins to accelerate to 85 mph. We cut it short at approximately 50 mph for safety reasons.
Interesting, right? Let me tell you another story. Recently, a 19-year-old security researcher had found a flaw in Tesla's keyless entry and driving system. By remotely unlocking car doors, playing music, flashing headlights, and even restarting their engines. He is a German IT security specialist. He runs the company named Colombo Technology. He said that he had accessed more than 25 Tesla vehicles in more than 13 countries using his hacking skills. Using Tesla's third-party software, he exploited flaws in its source code. After that, he tweeted about that in Twitter. Not only this, in March 2022, the University of Oxford researcher has identified a new way of remotely interrupting electric car charging using a new attack method that is known as broken wire. This attack method sends malicious signals wirelessly to the targeted vehicle to disrupt the charging session. Actually, this attack targets the DC charging technology. According to researchers, the broken wire attack only affects DC chargers. Charging stations in homes which typically uses AC power are not affected. In this, researchers used software-defined radios and some antennas in their experiment against 7 types of electric vehicles and 18 chargers at a distance of 47 meters. And finally, it was successful. Not only to electric cars, this broken wire attack affects electric ships and electric airplanes and heavy-duty vehicles as well. Let me share another interesting hack. Recently, Israel researchers at Ben Gurion University tricked the car by flashing phantom images on road. Phantom images mean it is not present in real, it is just illusion, like projecting the image of a person on road and causing Tesla to unexpectedly brake or steer in the wrong direction. Tesla AI thought that it is a real person and automatically applies the brake. Since that time, Tesla updated the browser to a version without the vulnerabilities and they implemented the code signing, that is a technique for cryptographically identifying the source code. After that, Tesla also implemented mandatory two-factor authentication for Tesla accounts, and also Tesla pays rewards to anyone who can find a vulnerability in Tesla software. Cool, right? So after seeing these many type of attacks, electric vehicles are also vulnerable at some point. That's all for today guys. I hope you learned some info from the video. If you really enjoy the content, hit the like button and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.